Everybody hoping they could be the one, but I was born to run, I was born to be. Coming like a race, coming like a race. Whatever it takes, and I'm ready to change. Whatever it takes, take me to the top, I'm ready to be. Whatever it takes, take me to the top, I'm ready for whatever it takes. Still you want me, still on the ground, still I love you there. Trust me, darling. Paradise, tearing at the seams, and I'm a bad liar. Bad liar. And you know, I'm a bad liar. I'm waking up till I shit dust. I want my brother, I swear my right. When your dreams are thin and the bloods run stained, no matter what we breathe, we still learn. This is my kingdom come. This is my kingdom come. and everything that I was raised as a belief, and I just felt meaningless. I felt like life had no meaning for me. And I kept this to myself for many, many years. And it choked me. It choked me to keep it in my gut. And music was the way that I was able to let it out, to express it. And I remember writing my first song when I was about 13. And I had no idea what I was doing or what my voice was or any purpose, but it just felt so good to sing, to express. And now I've been doing that now for, I don't know, over 20 years, and it has brought me so much peace, but that is not what has healed me. I am still unhealed. I don't know that healing is a place of arrival. It feels like it's just a constant. And the real thing that has been healing to me is therapy. That's what I'm getting to, sound of the whole story, therapy. Life is always worth living. Stay with us. We need you. That's all Imagine Dragons is. We love you. We need you. Stay with us. Raging against us now. Tell me when I know why. Stay out of sympathy. Everybody wants to be my enemy. My enemy. Tell me I'm wrong. You know I'm in here all alone. In your corner. Oh, I love you, I love you, I love you, I love you so much. Grazie mille!